Hello friends, this is Bella from QLQ company. Nice to see you here. Now I will show you some products of our plastic snap fastener. First of all, I will show you some applications. Friends, you can see. This plastic snap button can use for many different products such as the umbrella, baby shoes, and some document bags like this. So it's very convenient. Then I will show you some many different styles and colors of this plastic snap fastener for you. Such as this one it has many different colors and styles on it. If you need these assemble buttons, tools, we can also provide for you. You can see. And we have many different designs and styles, you can see. Such as the star shape, round shape, and other shapes. It's very beautiful and colorful. If you don't need this design, it doesn't matter because we can customize the specific design for you. You just need to send us the picture. Now I will show you this combination of this plastic snap button. This plastic snap button is made of 4 parts. The first part is the start, is this one, and the second part is the socket, is this one, and it has two caps. We have many different sizes for you choosing. So you can choose according to your specific requirement. Okay friends, if you are interested in these products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.